let us start with this experiment. Today's experiment is regarding about matter. Okay, anything? What do you mean by matter? Okay. Now matter means it consists of small particles, isn't it? Yes. Now here for the this experiment, what we are conducting today. Today's experiment is it shows the matter is made up of smallest particles. Okay. Here I took 4 beakers here. Okay, this is around 100 ml. I took water in this beaker, and here 40 ml each in small beakers. Understood? So let us name this beaker A, and this is B, and this is C and C. Okay, here I took potassium permanganate powder in this box. Okay, now what will I do? I'll take this crystals of, are you able to see this? Crystals, okay? Okay, just I'll take a few crystals of potassium permanganate. Able to see? Yes. Now I am adding potassium permanganate crystals to this water. Okay, containing beaker A. Understood? Now I'll take with a glass rod. This is your glass rod. I'll take this glass rod and I'll stir this. Okay, what happens now? What is the color? Yes, it turns to deep purple color. Okay. Now what is that? Now what I have to do it? Now I'll take this stopper. Okay, now I'll take 10 ml from beaker A. Okay, this is a solution now. What is this solution? This is potassium permanganate solution. Okay, it contains the crystals of potassium permanganate. It changes the color, water color. Okay, now I'm taking 10 ml from the beaker A. I'm transferring this 10 ml to this beaker B. Okay, now you understood? Now what is the color of beaker B now? It is near to, is that same colors you got it? No, not exactly the same one, but it is a lesser color you got, isn't it? It's lighter than the beaker A. Now what will I do? I'll take 10 ml from this beaker B and I'll transfer the same to beaker C. The process I am repeating. Understood? Okay. Now what is the color in this beaker C? Yes, you are getting a light color. Means the color is getting reduced. Understood? Now I'll take the 10 ml from this beaker C and I'll transfer to beaker D. Okay. Now what is the color now? No, it's not there. Okay. Now you are repeating the same process from beaker A to B, B to C. So what this indicates, it shows that the matter is made up of small particles because the potassium permanganate particles, whatever is there, no, it's very small. Here, when you are transferring this solution from A to B, B to C, and C to D, so your color is becoming fainter and fainter. Okay, it shows that all the particles are made, matter is made up of smallest particles.